when Juju's in the craft room. Come and see, it's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey, my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, we have our Margaret Miller weekly collage challenge, and I have all our goodies laid out here. We have, let me find my paper. We have for week 8 a pattern or texture that looks natural, something that makes a noise, a menu or a part of one, an image of a face or a portrait, a page from a children's book. A bonus is something transparent or translucent. Okay, so this is what I have for our week 8. I have my little lady here. She's so pretty. And then I have some antique pattern paper, well, vintage pattern paper. Then from the children's book page here, I cut out. And then I have something that makes noise as a fireworks, and it says sparks fly. And then of course I have my map page to go in the background. And then I have my wood grain stencil that we're going to use over top of it. So let's put this down. I'm going to try to use up this glue because I am so been trying to use this glue up. Alright, let's put this down. How's everybody doing today? Today I'm recording this on Saturday for Monday. And by the time you see this, it will be the start of a 100-day project. Woohoo! I'm so happy and excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I'm going to do a video later because I've got my 100-day tower all set up with all my goodies. Let's flip this over, make sure I don't have any glue coming through on this other side, because that glue is a sticky freaking mess. Okay. Alright. And then I want to add this down. Now, let me just go on and just, I didn't do this. I tried to be a little bit more prepared today with all my cutting and everything. Just a little, And then, I say this thing's almost full. It shouldn't be causing any issues. Alright. I'm going to kind of turn it to the side. And let's bring it up. Well, that's it. It's down now. That glue is like, gives you 2 seconds. You have no moving around with it. It's like once you put it down, that's where you better want it. That's not kind of how I want it, but it'll be alright. Then I want him like he's doing this, but I have to move him down just so. I'll have to put him like that now since I got that crooked. It's not like I wanted it to gum it. That's okay. We'll roll with it. Okay. And then I'll put him like that. basically with my glossy stuff added into it. So I'm going to do my Jackie trick. And I saw her, you know, I've been trying to catch up on all my videos. So she did a layering collage thing, and I added to the tips and tricks playlist, where she talks about how to do the layering on the collage, and it was a really good video. So y'all go watch that out of that playlist. Okay, and then I want to add her right there. Let me get this. There we go. Okay. Alright, let me heat this up. Be right back. I'm going to dry this. Okay, I got that all dry. And to try to cut this. Like that. We'll say that to go in our collage because that's like a part. Put that in our body part folder. Okay. Cute. That's cute. I need a little bit of glue right behind here. Alright. And then, let's see. Got that. Everybody is up in the house. Alright, I'm going to use some, I think, vintage photo. Let's try that. And I want a brush. Let me see on the back of this. Make sure. Okay. Make sure that brush didn't have anything on it. I need to get me a new vintage photo pad, I think. Alright. And then I'm going to put this wood grain up here. And then down the side here. And then up here. And then there we go. That's cool. Need to get that. Okay, that looks cool, doesn't it? Alright, now I want to get my white pen. One of these white pens. I think it's this one. Maybe because it's a 0.5. Let me use my big fat Posca. Wait a minute, let me see what this one will do. Yeah. It's that a 1? I don't know. It says 08. It's not wide enough. I wanted a thick, wide one. So let me do. Yeah. When that dries, I'm gonna have to glue that down up the top. There we go. There we go. Alright, that's just a hint of that white outline. And then I want to take my gold. Gotta find my gold. Here. There we go. Get right in this corner. You can see that a little bit better. Alright. So we got it all outlined in gold. And then we have that. And let's see where else. There we go. All right. Okay. Did that, and let me take a piece of this and put it over her face and his face, because I'm going to take some black. Missed that with that black. then that up. Okay. Then I'll take this. Right, and then Stella. Okay, take my wings of Stella. Uh-oh, I got that on my window. Okay. Alright, and then trace. Right. And then I want to take my glossy accents and do it right in the middle. And there. And pick up those red firework balloons. There we go. Oh, right here. And I'm going to and her lips. There we go. So her face kind of shines a little. All right, there we go. Now, that's our page. It just needs to set and dry. But there you have it. Look at the little sparklies that it's going to be doing. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's our week 8. Okay. Let's put it up. And I didn't save a spot at all for this. Anywhere. Nope. So when it all dries, I'll just washi tape it like I've been doing the other ones because I keep forgetting to add a spot for that. Alright, well that is our Margaret Miller Weekly Collage Challenge for week 8. Thanks! I'll see y'all on the next go round. Bye!